Now that y'all have seen my strategy of how I trade newly created coins, aka runners, and I just scalp those, although I do scalp MLG and more established coins too, I guess just scalping is short-term trading, which you want to do in meme coin trading, or at least that's what I think you should do, because none of these memes are going to last forever. It's not like a stock where it actually has derivative value. You want to get in and get out, or else I get super stressed. Maybe that's just me, but like if my money's going up and down so much and I don't really have control of the price, I'd rather just be closed out. I'll sell at a loss. I don't really care. But so with MLG, I keep telling y'all this, you don't have to pick this coin, but the best strategy is to really pick a coin that is well established, and you just stare at the screen, at the chart of the hourly or the 24 hourly, so the daily chart, where you get to see the price points where it has its support levels and its resistance levels. So essentially resistance is like where it bounces off of down. So you can kind of make one right here at 152. It seems like with the hourly candles, 144 is a big one. So it actually reached 146 earlier today. And I thought maybe it was like gonna surpass that resistance and keep going up. So I didn't sell. And so I missed out on like my 9K daily profit that I usually make on this MLG swing trading. But yesterday, for example, it hit, I want to say 138, right? You see this sell, and I sold at the top, whereas earlier on in the day I bought at 105 and like 115. Let's go to the minute just so y'all can see this. The first buy, I usually put limit buys, as you can see, at 107 and 97. I have 100 sold buys just so I do not miss it, because if those prices happen, I know for a fact it is going to bounce up very quickly. As you can see right here, it went down to, I want to say like 101, and it bounced up within like a couple of minutes. And so that's what happened. I think I was asleep or I was working or something, and I bought 100 SOL worth of MLG at this price, and I had another buy limit here at like 115, and then I just waited till it went to 137. And as you can see, I pretty much timed the top right here, and it sold off. It actually went higher later on that day, but hey, I still got my 9K profit, or 5 to 9K profit, and then I closed out all my MLG positions. Then the next day, which is today, what did I do? I started buying at like 115 again, and I bought like 10 SOL at a time, 10 SOL at a time. Then I bought 50 when it hit 113. Same thing at like 113 again, and below at 110. So I was, I'm just buying at these low prices because, again, I know just by looking at the chart that it has a strong support level at like 110. Let me draw the line for you, like right here, 113. There's right here on the chart, you can see that the candles kind of close out here. This one dips below it, but like the next candle goes back up. This one comes down, small, whatever that thing is, hollow candle. It usually bounces off like right here. And I think we're actually in an upward trend. So this support line is kind of going to get messed up, or it's going to move up to 116. But it's still today reached down to like 110. So again, the strategy is really to just do limit buys over here on Bullex, type limit, put in like, again, MLG is a large coin and it's pretty stable, I'd say, with price jumping from like 110 to 140, which is only like a 25% increase. So I put like 200 SOL in if I can. And then I'll make like whatever 20% of that is, like 40 SOL every single day that I'm trying to do. Doesn't happen every day, but every other day is a pretty good frequency, I'd say. And so later tonight, if it reaches 143 again, which I think it will, I'm gonna sell, unless I think it's gonna keep going up, which very well could happen. And I hate when that happens because usually it comes right back down. But I'll sell 100% position tomorrow, gonna buy back in at like 110, 115, and just keep repeating the cycle. And I keep making like 5 to 9K a day. I'll take that. It's called swing trading, baby, in the meme coin market, which I don't even think people knew was possible. People usually only do that for like larger assets, because most meme coins, I'd say MLG is really the only one that I've been able to do this because everything else is too irrational. Whereas MLG sticks in this like one little funnel, at least for the past week or so. And I was doing this before too. Bought all of, these little dips, sold at the very top. Bought this dip, bought this dip, bought this dip, bought this dip, sold at the top over here. Now that took a little bit longer. It was like 2 weeks. Whereas lately I've been swinging like every other day, but I'll still take it. I don't really care. Small gains with large amounts, I'll take that over literally before with the runner. I had put 10 SOL in and like you don't really know what's going on, but here I feel pretty confident with where the price is going to go, just like as if it was a stock, because MLG is so, I don't know, ingrained in like gamer culture and on Twitter. Like it's one of the most mentioned coins, so that's why I feel good about it. But anyway, that is swing trading. Put large amounts into pretty well established coins within their support levels. Buy at the support, sell at the resistance, wash and repeat every single day or however long that cycle goes. Take your profits. Don't be afraid to do that. Like a lot of people thinking that their coin is gonna 3, 4, 5x. That barely happens. That happened to me today with a 5x, but I was literally shitting myself because I was like, man, this never happens to me, literally. But anyway, y'all let me know in the comments what you think about this strategy. If you've ever done it, any strategies that y'all got that maybe I should implement. Be your boy Bob, making that 5, 10, 9K per day. I'll see y'all later. Peace.